Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on date and time. It should appear on the third position, and as you can see, actually we do not have any options which we can customize manually, and it is because we are using automatic date, time and time zone. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and as you can see immediately actually the date, time and time zone options are active, are visible. So we can start with the date, just tap on it, and here from this calendar we have to pick the date we want to use. So let me pick for example this one. Let's tap on done. As you can see it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, and here by swiping you can pick the time you want to use. Tap on done, and as you can see it will be also immediately applied to the status bar. We can tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do of course is to simply find the one you'd like to use and tap on it. So I will pick for example this one. As you can see it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that if you're changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. So here we've got the clock format. Currently we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to you can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option. So as you can see it will also be immediately applied to the status bar. So basically that's all. This is how to manually set the date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings, so the automatic date and time. Just tap on those switches, and here tap on this one to use 24-hour format, so it will be set just like it was before. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.